What if the plants that could help your body heal were never lost, just forgotten? Not rare, not expensive, not hidden. Just ignored. Today, we're uncovering 21 medicinal plants that have been used for generations, many of which are growing across the United States right now. Some of these you've seen your whole life. You just didn't know what they could do. Dandelion. Most people pull it out and throw it away. But this so-called weed has been used to support liver health and digestion for generations. Plantain, that plant growing in sidewalk cracks, it's known for soothing bug bites, cuts, and skin irritation. Clover, soft, common, and everywhere. Traditionally used to support circulation and gentle cleansing. Chickweed, low to the ground, easy to miss, but known for calming inflammation and supporting skin healing. Yarrow, used for generations to help support wound healing and blood flow. Peppermint, more than a flavor, it helps ease bloating, headaches, and digestive discomfort. Chamomile, a small flower with powerful calming effects, used to relax the body and support deep sleep. Lavender, known for reducing stress and calming the nervous system. Lemon balm, a quiet but powerful herb that supports mood and helps ease anxiety. Echinacea, widely used to support the immune system, especially during seasonal illness. Elderberry, traditionally taken to help the body during colds and flu. Stinging nettle, it stings at first, but it's packed with nutrients and supports overall vitality. Mullein, used for generations to support lung health and easier breathing. Rosemary, known to improve memory, focus, and circulation. Thyme, small but powerful, known for its antibacterial properties. Sage, used for both physical wellness and traditional cleansing practices. Garlic, a natural protector, supports heart health and helps fight harmful bacteria. Onion, simple, affordable, and known for reducing inflammation and supporting immunity. Aloe vera, a household plant that soothes burns, supports skin repair, and aids digestion. Basil, helps the body manage stress and supports digestion. And finally, pine needles, often ignored, yet traditionally used in teas for respiratory support and vitamin C. Here's the truth. Healing was never meant to be complicated. These plants have always been here, quietly growing, quietly helping, waiting for us to remember. Not everything powerful comes in a bottle. Sometimes, it grows right outside your door. If you're ready to reconnect with natural healing and forgotten knowledge, subscribe to Wise Remedies, because the answers you've been searching for might already be growing beside you.